Oh no! The elephant is stuck! Rescue team! Let's go! Maya, did you hear that?
An elephant! It is stuck!
We must call 911. Yes, rescue will come.
The fire truck is here!
They will help the elephant.
It's not working! The elephant is still stuck.
Water can't pull the elephant. The fire truck is for fires, not for animals. We need something strong to pull.
Call the crane.
The crane is here!
It will lift the elephant!
Don't worry, kids. We will take care.
It's too heavy!
It didn't work. Let's call for help again.
Call the rescue boat.
The rescue boat is here!
It will save the elephant. The boat is too small. It can't pull the elephant. Oh, still stuck. Oh no. We need the strongest rescue team. Call the tow truck.
The tow truck is here. It will save the elephant.
Hooray! The elephant is safe!
Thank you, rescue team.